Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a vlog using the Netflix intro templates on CapCut. So here I've already opened the CapCut apps. Then what you need to do is just go to the template tab, then click on the search column at the top and then just type in Netflix. Okay, so in here there will be lots of Netflix intro or Netflix vlog that you can choose. You can just choose which one that you want to use. For example, this one, you can see that this is the length of the video is 36 seconds and you need 21 clips for this to be able to use this template. So you can just explore which one that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use, okay, so let's say I want to use this one. Just click on use template, then fill in the clips with your the template with your clip. Okay, so after you finish, just click on preview, and then after that your video will be in the templates. And if you want, you can also adjust the text. You can edit the text in here. Just click on the text tab and then click on the text that you want to edit, then just change it into whatever text that you want. And when you're done editing your Netflix vlog, you can just click on export. Then you can just click on export without watermark, and then maybe you want to upload it to TikTok or Instagram, then you can just do it right away. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click like, thanks, subscribe, and also comment. Bye.